Hello guys, this is exactly now the AVAX crypto. So let's get started on its move. Mars. And this will be absolutely now on the side of AVAX crypto on it. Mars also. So just to see what is going on through the thing that is just exactly okay, we see that movement of the replay mode is going to be on like this. So just to see and let's understand how can we explain it through our further explanation on the video, and let's see how can we get started through its movements and its sides that I can really use it. So as you can see, we have so the after I have true rigid form on AVAX crypto, that could be literally very different, and it hits different about what I really explain for you, and that is literally what I can really think about that. So that is all to realize. That is really very important to know why AVAX crypto company is really about to give side of the explanation and the side of the population. Very good to learn something like that. And that is almost to know why we do it. Okay? And thank you. Thank you for